Well respected in the legal profession, Judge Mary Lou Robinson passed away late last year. She left a mark here on the Panhandle for a lot of reasons and lends her name now to the federal courthouse in Amarillo. KMR Local 4's Jackie Kingston spoke with Representative John Smithy and Fort Price about their experience being in her courtroom as we continue to celebrate women for Women's History Month.
Judge Mary Lou Robinson was elected to 2 separate judgeships before facing the United States Senate for confirmation, having been nominated by President Jimmy Carter for the 7th Circuit Court of Appeals. She was confirmed and presided over cases such as Texas Beef Group versus Oprah Winfrey. In the courtroom, she was tough.
I always enjoyed going into Judge Robinson's court. You knew that you had to be prepared when you walked in there, because if you weren't prepared, it would be exposed pretty quickly.
Now, not everybody probably got the outcome that they were always hoping for, but they all respected Judge Robinson's ability to be equitable and fair in her courtroom.
Not only was she demanding, she was warm, personable, and interested in those she was judging and in the people with whom she surrounded herself.
But that was one thing that I think a lot of federal judges may not engage in, which is developing a real personal and close relationship with personnel within the office and her clerks. And so, again, that was probably one of the most unique but formative and important, positions I've ever had in my legal career.
She especially loved when people became citizens of the United States.
A couple of times over the years, she would ask various people in the community to come speak at immigration ceremonies when people were made citizens of the United States. And a couple of times I was fortunate enough to be able to go over there and speak with the new citizens. And she always used to remark, she said, "This is the happiest day in the courtroom," because she said everybody's happy.
Judge Robinson is remembered as a trailblazing jurist who was on the cutting edge of women's issues in the final decades of the last century. She died in January at the age of 92. For more on Judge Mary Lou Robinson and more women's history stories, visit our website. That is myhighplains.com.